Hey guys, so how will these quotes help you? Well, the thing is that since I've been writing quotes for 8 years now, you have to understand that in my life, I've improved my life massively through habit changes, through awareness, through emotional intelligence, through everything that is wisdom. So being able to basically help myself to write quotes of these kinds of quotes, where I've written 77,000 quotes for myself so that I can become better and so that I can serve others. And now the thing is that the more I write, the more I grow. So the more quotes I've written for myself, I've solved more problems for myself. So I've become much more emotionally intelligent. I've become better at communication. I've become a better person in the process because I've shared 77,000 quotes with people. Okay? So the thing is that when you start reading these quotes, you will experience my benefits, which are basically growth. I am growing in my process of creating these quotes, and these quotes are basically created, but because I created them and because I took the time or I invested the time to basically write these quotes every single day, I became much more aware and much more broader in my thinking abilities, in my skills, in my life skills. I basically understand what not to do and what to do in my life. So these quotes are more like a motivator, it's more like a guide, and it's more like a coaching system. It's a life coaching system, okay? Based on positive thoughts, positive quotes that can help amplify you and that can help inspire you. So in these quotes, you will find a lot of wisdom, you'll find a lot of techniques, you'll find things that you can do in your life, and you'll find things about what not to do in your life. So it's just a guidance measure. It's something that guides you into a better life. So try them out today. Try to realize these quotes much more by getting yourself into them, by actually diving deep into the quotes for yourself. And then once you learn, once you're growing, you're at the beach, you're reading quotes, you're at home, you're reading the quotes, you're going to get more motivated and inspired to basically live your life to the best of your ability. Because these quotes are going to motivate you to get to the best stage of your life.